Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Hyundai IONIQ 5 and we're going to do the chrome delete installation for the rear. So when it comes to the rear pieces of the installation for the video, I only cut out the driver's side. So just to get an idea of what piece is what, the longer piece that you see in the bottom of the kit will be for this piece right here. The three pieces that are on this isolated to the right side for the driver's side will be for this section here, the bottom part. So it's a 3-piece install. And then this last medium piece will be for this section here. So we're going to start off with installing the top pieces first. So start off with this one. Alright, so for the top piece, it's just aligning to this end first. And once you have it aligned right on the edge, it's just bringing down and making sure you tack it down. And if you need to lift and reset, you can. And this one's pretty simple. Once you have it in position and you make sure you're covering all of the chrome, just start squeegeeing. With this one, you could tuck in inside. It does have a gap. And then the bottom pieces, before you continue, squeegee off any air that might be behind the film, and then slowly, little by little, start tacking down each piece. And if you do have excess material, we're just going to trim off that excess material and move on with the next install, which is this one on the side. So with this specific one, this one's going to be the only tricky one for the rear. So it does have this little cutout right in the middle. So that cutout, you're going to align it right to this edge here. So make sure you align it there. And once you have it aligned, it should fall into place. And it has to align perfectly. If not, you might have to remove it and then reapply it. And then now, once you have it aligned, it's just squeegeeing the rest. And now that we have this part secured, we could trim off any excess material as well as any material that we have here and apply heat all around to secure the film. So with this one, it's just aligning to the edge and making sure we're covering everything. So just tacking down and just follow along. It should end there. And now we'll install the middle piece, which is this one here. Okay, so for the middle piece, it's just going to be for this section here. So it is going to overlap with this film. So just place it, and when you're placing it, just make sure everything is aligned and you're covering all of the chrome. And this last piece will be the small piece over here. Okay, and the last thing to do once you finish installing each piece is just applying heat and post-heating all around. That way we secure each film and it doesn't lift over time. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the chrome for the rear for the 2022 Hyundai IONIQ 5. If you guys do have any questions in regards to installation, feel free to message us and we'll be happy to help you guys out. We hope that this video helped you with the installation. Don't forget to give the video a like. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation video. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you on the next one.